check this thing out, and the lighting is insane. Probably one of the best colors I've seen, honestly. This purple is gorgeous. Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. Got 5,567 miles on the odometer. And if you see any flickering on these screens, that's just in camera. That is not in person. You do have front lift on this, so makes it really nice. The car's lowering now because I had it lifted to get out of the parking lot, just in case. Now, being a convertible, you are going to hear some rattles in that top. I don't know if that's on camera, if you can hear that or not. Steering's perfectly straight. You're going to feel a little vibration in the wheel. That probably is pretty normal. It's not shaking or anything like that. It's very subtle movements. Alignment's perfectly straight. Downshifts are just quick and precise. Beautiful. Those vibrations on some of those shifts there. It's still very subtle, but it's once the car's starting to wake up a little bit, you're gonna hear it right there. Other than that, she drives perfect. I have no complaints. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. So you do have PPF here on the full front clip. So full fender, the full carbon down here, hood, bumper, all of that, headlights included. You have PPF on the side mirrors, and then you're gonna have it on little bits and pieces of kind of the height impact hit area. So right here, you're gonna have it on that very edge, about here up. I see a little strip down there. Nothing on the doors though, nothing on the quarter. And then you're gonna have it on this very edge, about right here to there, and just around that little curve. I don't feel any there. And then you're gonna have it on that little edge right there. Looking at the wheel. They even put the gloss black weights there, which tie in really nice. That wheel looks amazing. Carbon ceramics looks super good. Date code on the tire, 2023. Like I said, you got full front clip PPF. This color is insane. We're gonna have the window sticker on the website as well, if you haven't already seen that. Carbon looks good. Edge of that is perfect. No flaws there. All of that looks amazing. Full carbon here. No film on the edge, but I don't feel any rock impacts. Upper section looks good. Carbon's clean. I don't feel any rock impacts on the edge of that. Looks good. Lower section looks amazing. I don't see any flaws there so far. This color is just insane. Like I said, you have film on the very edge here. Here on that wheel. I don't see any curb rash. Looks good. You just have carbon everywhere. It's insane. Like I said, you have film on the headlights protecting it. A little marking on the film there. Little snag in the film. Looks like the paint is fine underneath. I don't see any flaws that stand out. There on that upper section. Looks good. Just kind of scanning through all these little details. Having PPF is a huge bonus to fully protect it. It's almost impossible to know if there's any rock impacts underneath the film. But nothing's really standing out to me. I'm just going really close and slow here. Let's scan that underside of the splitter. From what I can see there, that looks good. Get some little snags in the film. I feel a little bit of rash under there. This is just the kind of film. Now, that's visible just walking around the car here, so absolutely perfect. You get way under there, you're going to see a little bit of imperfections. A little rash there, it looks like. A little rash on that piece, but nothing visible from like 4 inches up. On that fender, looks good. Wheels, I don't see any rash or any flaws that stand out there. That side mirror looks amazing. Full wrapped in PPF, looks really good. Scanning that pillar, nice and clean. Roof looks good. All of this looks so nice. You do have a little scratch there, barely catches my nail. I bet if you put PPF over that, it would hide that and then protect it. No flaws there. Lower side looks good. All that carbon's clean. Wheel looks good. Full carbon on the back. There's really not much to pick apart on this car. This is tip top. Beautiful. You also have film inside there, protecting that little section. From what I can tell, there's nothing. This is an absolutely gorgeous car. Looking at those blades. Just trying to feel for any rash. Nothing's really standing out to me there. Check out that one. They look good. I'm not seeing any flaws either on this backside. Absolutely gorgeous car. Alright, this thing looks wicked with the top down as well. Beautiful. No issues here. All of this is super clean. Alright, checking out the interior. That looks good. Now you're going to see these little bumps here. See that? I noticed it's if the seatbelt gets stuck right here and the door shuts, it kind of bumps it. So you make sure that seatbelt's kind of tucked away over there, and you're not going to get those. And I don't know if those are going to go away over time or not. I doubt it. And then you're going to have a little scuff there. Got the dry carbon. That door though looks good. Super nice. Beautiful, beautiful car. All of that looks good. That's nice and clean. Here on that bolster, a couple light scuffs. Upper section looks good. All of that looks nice. Steering wheel's clean, got the dry carbon once again. Beautiful. Not much to pick apart in here. Really, really nice. Alright, looking at this door panel. Some light scuffs right there. Other than that, this looks beautiful. All the carbon here is clean. That bolster looks good. That one's nice and clean. Tuck that seatbelt in over there. Beautiful seats. Full leather, no Alcantara. Not much to pick apart in here. And then you have your trickle charger port here with the tender. Plug it in right there. There's your owner's manual. Little scuffs in here on that carpet. That looks good. Underside's beautiful. It just sparkles insane.